When working with electricity, even a split-second event can have catastrophic consequences. One of the most dangerous electrical hazards is an arc flash, a sudden release of energy caused by an electrical fault. Arc flashes can result in severe burns, blindness, hearing loss, and even fatalities. In this video, we'll explain what an arc flash is, why it happens, and most importantly, how to prevent it. Let's dive in. An arc flash occurs when an electrical current leaves its intended path and travels through the air between conductors or to the ground. This creates an intense burst of heat, light, and pressure. Key points to understand: arc flashes are often triggered by equipment failure, improper maintenance, or human error, such as dropping tools or touching live components. Temperatures during an arc flash can exceed 35,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to vaporize metal and ignite clothing. Victims may suffer third-degree burns, respiratory damage from heated air, and permanent injuries. Equipment can also be severely damaged, leading to costly downtime. The dangers of arc flashes cannot be overstated. Here's what makes them so hazardous: arc flashes cause burns, hearing damage from the explosive sound, and vision impairment from the intense light. Electrical systems can be rendered inoperable, leading to costly repairs and production delays. Fires caused by arc flashes can spread, endangering nearby workers and facilities. Even if you're not directly involved in electrical work, understanding these risks is crucial for maintaining a safe workplace. Preventing arc flashes requires a combination of engineering controls, safe work practices, and proper equipment. Here's what you need to do: install arc-resistant switchgear and circuit breakers designed to contain energy releases. Use remote racking systems to operate equipment from a safe distance. Follow lockout/tagout (LOTO) procedures to de-energize equipment before maintenance. Conduct regular inspections and maintenance to identify potential faults. Ensure all personnel are trained on arc flash risks and emergency response procedures. Clearly mark equipment with arc flash hazard labels indicating energy levels and required PPE. Personal protective equipment (PPE) is your last line of defense against arc flashes. Here's what you need to know: wear flame-resistant clothing, FRC, rated for the specific level of incident energy exposure. This prevents clothing from igniting and causing additional burns. Protect your face and head from intense light and heat with face shields and hoods. Use gloves rated for high voltage to avoid direct contact with live components. Arc flashes produce loud explosions that can damage hearing. Earplugs or earmuffs are essential. Always verify that your PPE matches the hazard level identified in your risk assessment. To ensure compliance and safety, follow established industry standards and best practices. NFPA 70E provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical safety in the workplace, including arc flash risk assessments. OSHA regulations require employers to implement safety programs and provide adequate PPE. Regularly assess arc flash hazards using methods like IEEE 1584 to determine incident energy levels and boundaries. By adhering to these standards, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of arc flash incidents. Arc flashes are preventable, but only if we take the necessary precautions. By understanding the risks, implementing safety measures, and using proper PPE, we can protect ourselves and our colleagues from harm. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more workplace safety tips and industry insights. Let us know in the comments what other safety topics you'd like us to cover.